So in this video, I'm going to share 7 digital products that you can create and sell on Etsy. Now, Etsy is a platform where you can sell handmade products and you can also sell digital products and you can also sell print-on-demand products as well. But selling digital products on Etsy is the best business model ever because you don't need any kind of investment and you can also start this business without having any skills. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Saklan and I have been doing e-commerce business since past 10 years. So I started my first Shopify store back in 2018 and on this store we have generated almost $1 million sales in only 9 months. And at this time, I have been running multiple e-commerce stores on Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. So in this specific video, I will share step-by-step process how you can sell those digital products which I am going to share in this video. These are very easy to create and you don't need any kind of skills as I told you earlier. Now before I share all of those products, you need to understand one thing. Before you start selling any kind of digital products, you have to choose a specific passion and specific niche. Let's say you are passionate about traveling and photography, right? So you can choose a product that resonates with your passion. In this way, you will be able to create those products very easily. And the second most important thing which most people ignore, you have to check the competition on Etsy. For example, how much people are already selling these kind of products and what kind of problem people are facing in that specific product. And you can do this by checking the reviews of different customers on Etsy. And even you can use Google Trend to find out what people are looking for. And using Google Trend for the sake of your product research is very easy. You can simply go to Google Trend website and then use the search bar to find out what people are searching for. Let's say I'm going to sell wedding invitation cards. So what I will do, I will search here wedding invitation cards. And after that, you will select the country where you are going to research that specific keyword. And then you can select past 90 days. And after that, you can select all categories and then you can see we have a graph where we can see how much this product is trending on Google Trends. So if you look at this graph, that is fluctuating and most of the time the line is above 60, right? So that's mean people are searching for that keyword. Now here you can see the cities where people are searching that kind of specific keywords. And the next platform you can use is the Etsy. Now I go to Etsy and then I search for keyword wedding invitation. You can see below are the products which are appearing on top of the search results. So this product has 7.2k reviews and this product had 2000 reviews. Now what you can do is you can simply open a product and then you can check the reviews of different customers, what they are saying about that specific product. And by doing this, you will be able to identify a problem which many customers are facing. And maybe many customers want to have the more option about the colors and then maybe many customers want to have more font options. So at this point, what you are doing basically, you are analyzing a market gap because in this business model, your product is the key factor. So unless you find a winning product that is solving a customer problem, you cannot scale that business. And the next important thing is you have to niche down your category. By doing this, you will be able to stand out from the competition. For example, if you look at that screen and you can see we have search a wedding invitation and you can see we have 1000 plus searches. That means there are 1000 plus listing available for wedding invitation cards. Now, if you're going to create the same product which people have created already, how your product will appear in search results? So to make your product unique, what you will have to do, you will have to niche down your product category as I told you earlier. Now, for example, if I search for elephant invitation wedding card, you can see there are only 514 searches. And that means these are all the listings available on Etsy. Now on top of that, you will see the listing of Etsy sellers who are marketing their products. And they are using Etsy internal ad system to run the ads of their products. And let's say there are 300 people who are searching these kind of products. If your product appear on top of the search results, you are going to make sales. Because in this way, you are already reducing the competition, right? So, and the other thing is make sure to add videos of your product in Etsy. Because if I scroll down, you can see the product which have the videos, they are appearing on the top, right? Although they are running the ads, but adding a video of your product give you upper hand from other sellers. For example, if you look into these 3 listings, they are appearing on the top because they do have the videos of their product. And if you look at them, they are not running ad and there is a single seller that is appearing on the top of search results. So these are the key factors which you will have to keep in mind. Now moving to our first product, and that is wedding invitation and gift cards. Now as I told you earlier, if you go to Etsy and search for these kind of products, many people are searching for that kind of products because these are the products that you can create using Canva. So Canva has already plenty of available templates which you can use to customize those kind of products. But there is a Canva policy, and that is you have to add a specific element in those designs. Because all of those templates which are available on Canva, these are the designs which creators have created and then listed them on Canva. So what you will have to do is, if you are going to create a specific design, you will have to add a specific element inside it. Now as you search for wedding template on Canva, you can see we have almost 20,000 templates. Now what you can do is, as I told you earlier, you can customize any of them. For example, if I want to customize this template, I will simply click here and then I will go into customize this template. Now in this part, you can see this is completely customizable, right? You can customize the image, you can customize the text, even you can customize the date as well. So what you can do is, as I told you earlier, you can customize this template, or even you can add an element by going into element section. Even if you make minor changes, for example, if you change the font or if you change the color, you can also sell that as well. So this is the template which will be delivered to our customer, and then customer can customize it according to their requirement. Now as I told you earlier, maybe you can provide extra option for colors, or even you can provide extra elements, so that once customer is going to design that template, they can use those extra elements in their own designing. Now after that, go into share section and then create a link of that template. Click here, template link, and then click on create link. Now this is the link which we can deliver to our customer. Now the problem is we cannot deliver that link to our customer using Etsy. So what we will do is, we will create a simple PDF and then we will attach that specific template link in that PDF. After that, we will create a listing on our Etsy account and then we will attach that PDF with it. So any customer who is going to make the purchase, they can simply access that template using the link inside the PDF. And after that, they can use the simple Canva plan to customize this template on their mobile phone or on their laptop. Now same like wedding cards, you can also sell invitation cards, and that invitation cards can be related to any specific event, for example birthday or anniversary. The second detail product which you can sell on Etsy are the mockups. Now these are detailed mockups which many sellers are looking to buy. What you can do is, you can simply use the AI to create those mockups in bundle. Now if you are looking at a specific tutorial about that, I have already created a step-by-step guide. I will mention the link in description, make sure to check it out, and you can learn step-by-step process how you can create mockups in bundles and how you can sell them on Etsy. Now if you look into Etsy, these are all the mockups which are top selling. But as I told you earlier, you will have to niche down your specific category. Maybe you can sell mockups to any specific sellers, and these mockups can be sold related to all detail products. For example, if any seller is selling designs on a mug, maybe you can create a mockup related to mug. So by using AI to create these kind of mockups is very easy. And the major thing you can do in this business is, you can also create a subscription-based business model. Here you can create mockup on monthly basis, and then all the sellers who have purchased from you, maybe they can buy a subscription from you. So in this way, you will have a monthly recurring revenue in your business. And the third detail product is creating designs in bundles. Now as I told you earlier, if you can sell mockups, you can also sell designs in bundle as well. But make sure you have some kind of background in designing. If you don't have the background, maybe you can also use the AI to create those designs. And by using the AI tools, for example Midjourney or Runway ML, these kind of designs are easy to create. In the same way, you can also use the Canva to create these kind of designs and mockups. And all of these three products which I have mentioned, they will be delivered in the same way in the PDF. The fourth detail products is creating ebooks. And to create an ebook, as I told you earlier, you will have to choose a specific niche or specific problem which many customers are facing. And you can do this by going to Etsy, or even you can explore Gumroad website as well. So Gumroad has a discover section where you can find out all the detail products, all the ebooks which plenty of sellers are already selling. Now what you can do is just simple go to any category and then explore these kind of products. And by checking the reviews on Etsy and Gumroad, write down the problem which many customers are facing. As you can see, this is the ebook which I have created using Canva. This is the simple template which I have used, and you can see we have 77 pages of that ebook. Now that ebook is specific related to Shopify dropshipping. You can create anything related to your own passion or experience. So your ebook should contain any specific information or any problem which might be your customers or audience is facing. Now to sell these kind of ebooks on Etsy, you don't need any kind of audience. But if you have audience already on any social media platform, I would recommend to create an ebook. You can also use that specific ebook as a lead magnet as well. And by using the lead magnet, you will build your own email list, which later on you can also use to sell your own affiliated products, or even you can get the sponsorships. As you can see, we have created this ebook. So what I can do is, I can include different affiliate links inside it, or even I can include a course link. So any affiliate link that is specific to your ebook, maybe you can also add inside that, or even you can also add video lectures. You can see I have added a YouTube lecture as well. But creating an ebook is not the major part. Defining a problem, identify a problem which many customers are facing, that is the major part of your product. So ebooks are sold normally $20 to $40, but if you have much more value, you can even sell hair. Even you can create an Instagram account and then you can promote your digital products on that by creating the reels and then creating the carousels or images. So make sure to double down what is working. For example, if you have created a reel and that has gained the popularity, maybe you can double down on that and then you can create a same reel according to that template. So building a content system that runs on autopilot is the major part of your digital product business. And as I told you earlier, you can also use Google Trend to find out what people are searching for. And even you can use Amazon and Reddit to find out what people are looking for and what kind of questions they are asking from the experts. So by doing this, you will be able to write down some specific kind of problems which your audience or customers are facing. And the fifth digital product which you can sell are the planners and templates. Now these type of templates and planners are very much popular on Etsy. And if I go to Etsy, you can see there are plenty of templates and planners which are already selling. You can see meal template and planner, and you can also see work from home planner, you can see weight loss and fitness planner, and even if you have the knowledge of Notion, you can also sell Notion template as well, and these are very much popular on Etsy. See here, there is a Notion template selling very well and it has almost 11,000 reviews. That means people are having interest in that kind of product and they are purchasing it. So the major thing is always identify a unique problem in your niche, what you are going to address according to your product. And then there are plenty of other planners and templates, and this is the template which I have created and we are going to sell this one on Etsy. So you can see we have the lifestyle template, then we have the wellness template, then we have the productivity template, and inside this one template there are other plenty of templates, right? So for example, if you see inside lifestyle, we have almost 8 to 9 other templates, and these are related to grocery list, meal deals, meal planners, password, cleaning logs. So what you can do is you can create all of those templates inside your Canva. You can see I have created a template of 121 pages. I have also created a planner which consists on 587 pages. Now if you are going to create the template inside the Canva, make sure to add other pages using any other software, because Canva only allow you to add almost 120 pages. And what you can do is maybe you can create different planners inside your Canva and then you can use another app to combine those in PDF. And these kind of templates also have their tab section. That's mean if customer want to access any specific location, they can simply click here and then they can access that. For example, you can see this one is linked to page number 29 and this one is linked to page number 11 and this one is linked to page number maybe 43. So these are all the pages which are internal linked. For example, if I click on page number 43, you can see we have the page number 43 right now, and that is saving tracker. And this is the exact template which many people are selling on Etsy. You can see on top of that there are many people which are selling the same template. See here, this is the template which I am going to sell. So what you can do is you can create these kind of templates. Even you can create a template consist on 20 to 25 pages. But as I told you earlier, make sure to identify a specific problem and then identify your customer demand as well. So exploring Etsy or maybe Gumroad and then reading the reviews and then finding a problem is the major part of your product. So all of those templates which are appearing on top of the search results, maybe they are making $20,000 to $25,000 a month because they have gained plenty of reviews. You can see this template have almost 28,000 reviews. This seller has almost 11,000 reviews, and this one also has 11,000 reviews. This one also has almost 13,000 reviews. So you can imagine how much money they are actually making just using the Etsy. They are also creating short content on other social media platforms, for example Instagram and YouTube. And what they are doing, they are bringing the traffic on their Etsy store, or they are bringing the traffic on their Gumroad store. Now Gumroad charge you a 10% fee on your sales. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend to start selling digital products on Etsy, because you will have to pay only $15 upfront fee to Etsy to open your store, and then all the customers who are coming on Etsy, maybe they are searching for products. If you have better SEO of your products, and then they can appear on top of the search results, you are going to make sales. And as I told you earlier, you can also use the Etsy internal system to run the ads of your products. The second last data product is the digital art. Now these are the arts which are very much popular on Etsy, and you can create them using Canva. So if you are passionate about designing, as I told you earlier, these arts are easy to create. Now as you can see, if I go to Etsy, these arts are selling very well. You can see this art is selling for $2.25 and this has almost 20,000 reviews on Etsy. And that is a digital download, as I told you earlier, and that product also is a digital download. And the best part is, if any customer is going to purchase that specific design, maybe they can print on their own wall. And they can use any third-party company, for example Printful or Printify, to put that art into a frame. And that business model is called print on demand business. So maybe after some time, once you are going to make few sales, you can also offer to your customers frame as well. And in this way, you will be able to integrate Printify or Printful with your Etsy store. And then all the customers who are going to buy from your shop, Printify and Printful will be able to ship those orders directly to your customers. So what you will do is, you will simply create a design and then you will go to Printify or Printful and then you will add a design on any wall frame which you want to use. Because all the customers who are buying your digital art, maybe they will be interested in buying wall art as well. And that can be printed on wedding invitation, anniversary or gift cards. And the last digital product is photography and wallpapers. These products are very much popular on Etsy and that can be generated using just your phone. Maybe you go outside and then you take an image of any scenery. So what you can do is, you can simply sell that image as a mobile phone wallpaper. And even there are some kind of photographies which are selling well on Gumroad and Etsy. I know many of the creators who are selling those kind of wallpapers just using their YouTube traffic, and they are making thousands of dollars every single month. So if you are passionate about creating the content and making the photograph, this business model is very much suitable for you, as that business model is going to resonate with your passion. So what you can do is, you can simply create a Gumroad or Etsy account and you can add the link in your video description, or even you can add that link in Instagram bio. And posting the random pictures of what you have been doing, you will be able to make plenty of sales. As you can see, if I go to Etsy, this is the product which is selling very well. You can see it has almost 3,000 reviews and this product is completely digital download. Now these are simple scenery images, as I told you earlier, and what you can do is, you can also print that products using the wall art frames. So these are top 7 digital products which you can sell using the Etsy and Gumroad. If you want to know more selling digital products in detail, I have already created a video. I will mention the link in description. I hope you will enjoy that specific digital product tutorial, but don't just watch, make sure to subscribe as well. I will be back soon with more useful content. Bye bye.